Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are good. Friends, today we will continue with orange. But before starting the video, watch our another videos related to health. You will find link in description box. And give us feedback to make more understandable and knowledgeful video for you. Let's get into the video. First, oranges are a very good source of vitamin C. The sweet orange, which is the kind that are most often eaten today, grew first in South and East Asia but now grows in lots of parts of the world. Second, oranges are round orange-colored fruit that grow on a tree which can reach 10 meters high. Here are some health benefits of oranges. First, protects your cells from damage. Second, helps your body to make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and gives you smoother skin. Third, makes it easier to absorb iron to fight anemia. Fourth, boosts your immune system, your body's defense against germs. Guys, this is all for today. Hope you will like this concept. If you like this concept, then make sure you will like the video and subscribe our channel before leaving.